the air. All four winds of the earth. The sons of God are here. Let our voice thunder. Let the constellations cross. Let the stars and the moon stand in the valley of Ajalon. It is time for heaven to have their victory. Let the warriors of heaven arise. Let the mighty men, let them come to war. Let them be their marching
soldiers, marching, hosts, marching, soldiers, marching, hosts, marching. Doris, join us.
Give yourself, almighty men of Zion. That is a call, I can hear it. That is a call, a call, a call. The land call it, Nigeria call it, Africa call it. Where is the man?
Yes, he's an army.
Where is the man? Bulldozer cry.
Miracle. March past in the spirit. Soldiers, marching, hosts, marching, soldiers, marching, hosts, marching, soldiers, marching, hosts, marching. Join us. Concocting it.
Where is Doris? Where is Chimika? Where are you?
Concocting it. Oh yeah, we concocting it. Oh yeah, we concocting it. Oh yeah, we concocting it. Something is happening. Madam, is prayer. Soldiers, number yourself. Number yourself. Soldiers, marching, hosts, marching, soldiers, marching, hosts, marching, soldiers, marching, hosts, marching, soldiers, marching, hosts, marching. Keep on this. Soldiers, marching, hosts, marching, soldiers, marching. Yes!
Marching, hosts, marching, soldiers, marching, hosts, marching, soldiers, marching, hosts, marching, soldiers, marching, marching, soldiers, marching, hosts, marching.
Follow down!
Marching,
yes, soldier!
Marching, soldiers, marching, hosts, marching,
Soldiers, marching, hosts, marching, soldiers, marching, hosts, marching, soldiers, marching, hosts, marching, soldiers, marching, hosts, marching, soldiers, marching, hosts, marching, soldiers, marching, hosts, marching, soldiers. That is so much power in the spirit. Listen to me. Listen to me. Just the drummer.
Soldiers marching, hosts marching, soldiers marching, hosts marching.
Everybody join.
Soldiers marching, hosts marching, soldiers marching, hosts.
I want to hear you.
Soldiers marching, hosts marching, soldiers marching, hosts.
I can't hear you.
Marching, soldiers marching, hosts marching, soldiers marching,
hosts. Move your hands, my friend.
Soldiers marching, hosts marching, soldiers marching, hosts marching, soldiers marching, hosts
marching, soldiers
marching,
hosts
marching,
soldiers,
soldiers marching,
hosts
marching,
soldiers,
soldiers marching,
hosts
marching,
soldiers marching, hosts marching, soldiers marching, listen to me. Are you sure?
Marching, soldiers marching, hosts marching, soldiers marching, hosts marching, soldiers marching.
Hosts of heaven are marching.
Soldiers marching,
The hosts of heaven.
soldiers
Listen.
marching,
Listen.
hosts
Listen.
marching.
I want you to shout. I will march. Hey, what will you do? That's very poor. Put us like a man out to salute. What will you do?
You can be on your civilian. Civilians don't go to war. In the time of war, they are praying.
I'm a host. I march. I'm a host.
Soldiers marching.
Host.
Marching.
Soldiers.
Marching.
Host.
Marching. Soldiers marching.
What will you do?
Soldiers marching. Host.
Listen.
Marching.
Listen. There is a way soldiers march in the spirit. Do you know? Do you want to know? Do you want to know how soldiers march in the spirit? That what can your belly? When are you going to?
Wait. Somebody go and wake those people sleeping. You have slept enough. It's enough. This is 5 a.m. in the morning. What's happening? Go and wake them. Find out everywhere they're hiding. Wake them up. How can you sleep? Can you sleep from 12 to 5? What's wrong with you? It's your destiny under attack. Even if the person is young, wake the person. Wake the person. Even if it's my mother, wake my mother. She has slept enough. Look for my baby. Wake my baby. We are in the midst of something strong. This is when strong men need to arise. You need to feel what I'm feeling. You need to enter there. Listen to me. This is when men of prayer are known. We don't pray by physical strength. We pray by a garment. Give ear, O four winds of the earth. The sons of God are here. Let our voice thunder. Let the constellation hear us. Let the stars and the moon stand still in the valley of Ajalon. It is time for heaven to have the victory. Let the warriors of heaven arise. Let the mighty men, let them come to war. Let them beat their plowshares into swords, their pruning hooks into spears. For the time of war has arrived. Put on strength. Give yourself, almighty men of Zion. There is a call, I can hear it. There is a call, a call, a call. The land call it, Nigeria call it, Africa call it. Where is the man? Where is the man? Bulldozer, bulldozer cry. Prayer in my belly, seeking for perfect ventilations in the spirits. Prayer it's a ventilation. When I pray, I ventilate. Wow, I ventilate. When I pray, is arising. Saimanana huli, alumba bade, alumba nete ita, ay paratande, senefide na, ay panate yele, sevili paria, paria natua.